Have you ever imagined living inside a camper that feels more like a cozy wooden cabin than a traditional RV? Well, today you're about to see one of the most beautiful wooden camper RVs ever created. At first glance, it looks like something straight out of Mountain Village. But once you step inside, you'll realize it's packed with clever ideas that make life on the road surprisingly comfortable. Stay with us until the end, because this tiny home has a few features that might completely change the way you think about RV living. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior. Instead of the usual plain fiberglass or aluminum finish, this camper is wrapped in rich natural wood that gives it a warm and timeless appearance. Everywhere it goes, people stop to admire it. It doesn't just look different, it feels alive, blending perfectly with forests, lakes, and mountain landscapes. As you walk inside, the atmosphere changes immediately. The wooden walls and ceiling create a relaxing environment that feels more like a handcrafted cabin than a vehicle. Natural textures, soft lighting, and smart craftsmanship make every inch feel inviting. It's amazing how such a compact space can feel so open and peaceful. Now let's talk about the living area. Every piece of furniture is designed with purpose. The seating is comfortable enough to relax after a long day of travel, and the table easily becomes the perfect place to enjoy meals, work remotely, or simply sit with a cup of coffee while watching the sunrise through the windows. The kitchen proves that you don't need a huge house to cook delicious meals. Despite its compact size, it includes everything needed for everyday living. There are smart storage cabinets, a sink, cooking space, and enough room to organize your essentials. Every corner has been carefully planned to maximize efficiency without making the camper feel crowded. Storage is another area where this wooden camper shines. Hidden compartments, overhead cabinets, and multifunctional furniture help keep everything organized. Whether you're carrying clothes, camping gear, cooking supplies, or travel equipment, there's a place for almost everything. That's one of the secrets behind comfortable, tiny living. The sleeping area is equally impressive. Instead of feeling cramped, it offers a cozy retreat surrounded by warm wooden finishes. Large windows let in natural light during the day and provide beautiful nighttime views of the stars. Imagine falling asleep beside a peaceful lake or waking up surrounded by snow-covered mountains, all from the comfort of your own tiny wooden home. One of the biggest advantages of this camper is the connection it creates with nature. Because of its natural wooden design, it blends beautifully into outdoor environments. Whether you're camping deep in the forest, parking beside a river, or exploring national parks, this RV feels like it belongs there. Another great feature is its mobility. Unlike traditional houses, this tiny home gives you the freedom to explore new destinations whenever you want. You can spend one weekend at the beach, the next in the mountains, and another beside a quiet countryside lake without ever leaving your home behind. The craftsmanship deserves special recognition. Every wooden panel, cabinet, and detail reflects careful attention and skilled workmanship. This isn't just transportation. It's a moving piece of art that combines beauty with functionality. It's the kind of camper that makes every journey feel special. For travelers who dream of living simply, reducing expenses, or embracing full-time RV life, this wooden camper offers an inspiring alternative. It proves that happiness doesn't always require a massive house. Sometimes all you need is a thoughtfully designed space, the freedom to travel, and incredible views outside your window every morning. As more people look for affordable and flexible lifestyles, campers like this continue to grow in popularity. They offer adventure, comfort, and a unique sense of freedom that's hard to find anywhere else. Whether you're planning weekend getaways or dreaming of life on the open road, this wooden camper RV shows that small spaces can deliver big experiences. So what do you think? Could you see yourself living and traveling in this incredible wooden camper RV? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this tour and want to see more amazing camper RVs, tiny homes, and innovative mobile living ideas, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.